spot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole day.
Yeah, people, let's have a conversation. Zin? Now, there's this very infamous and sensitive topic I'm just feel so need to address. As usual, everybody have their own opinions, everybody entitled to do it. That's why we just have the forum, we can just fall together, everybody just hear out each other, make sense out of nonsense, and let's keep it moving. What's me say? Baseball one can spawn the screen already, baseball know what I talk about. A governor song to play, girl thief, you know which part of the topic already. Now, man's them. We're not go first this time. No. I would say, what about your name, man? Let's call him Jerry, man. Let's say, Jerry. I'm a gallus. For most of my life, or in a female, I'm a gallus. Zine. No, it's because of society, because of the media, Jerry favorite artists, them. Everything around him, every influencing factor around him, I tell him, say, yo, I saw him to live life. You see me? You have a bungalow girl over there, so you're not supposed to business about their feelings. You see me? Give them a whole heap of bun. You see me? You're not business, you just keep it moving, right? Now, Jerry about Keisha and realize that Keisha different. Now, you have to say, yo, Jerry, I looking at myself and I say, John, you know, so I feel like I'm going to approach one different though. Yeah, man, like you know, say it to your brethren, you know, say it to Keisha, but in yourself, you say, yo, I wanna, oh gosh, man, I treat her different. Cause I wanna treat her like a queen syndrome. Preach. So another one, you know, you express the most romantic gesture, them. Now go out on date. You send some nice good morning and good night message. Well, no girl ever get. See? You treat a girl as special, you put her up on a pedestal. I say, yo, yeah man, y'all goofy with that girl. You sit down and you're comfortable with her. She feel like you're peace. Is it me, brother? Now, unfortunately, nothing lasts forever. Zane. But you know what's with this girl, when it went good, it is just good. It went great, brother. You know what's more to sit down in a car and when all that play, she all touch her chin and you say, Jano. When I go on with some like a goofy thing in the car, some like antics. See them? You have to say, Jano. You know what if you do in the car with a bridge in them, then I didn't think they go on. But with that girl, as I said, she did a peace, hombre. See? Now, push come to shove, long story short, to find out that Keisha give you a bun. You can't believe. Chip lick, you feel like you want. You see me, I say just explode. Or some people implode. Wherever way you want to take it. See? Now, you did that. Jerry did that now and I'm looking at myself and I say, yo, John, what dog? Let me tell you how Jerry feel. Jerry have what we call weak heart syndrome. Zane, now, I don't bash Jerry because nothing wrong with that. I don't call it weak heart syndrome because of that society make we believe. As I say, no people. It's enough of the societal norms, yeah. I need to broke from that, man. Because I didn't sit there and make a resort to sound like a... It's me some primitive way, some primitive nature and unnecessary. But get you pretty. I really saw Jerry feel and I really dish Jerry want to say.
What's wrong with me? Tanya, because I'm in love with your sister.
In love?
Yeah, and I'm a damn fool for it.
No, you're not a fool. I'm the fool. I was confused and try to understand. This guy was my dream guy. He had everything on my list. And you just came out of nowhere.
Yep. I have nothing on your list, right? Look, I get it. I'm not your dream dude. I'm a little rough around the edges, right? But you know what? I've worked my ass off, Danica, to get on my feet. To have a spot, a place on this earth. I fought through a lot of shit. And I've done a lot of shit. But I'll tell you this. One thing I would never do is get fucked over by some girl I was just trying to love. I'm a good dude. You get that? And I don't deserve to be treated like this. So if you can't handle what I got to give, then go be with you. What's wrong with me?
Boss, me say people, it's because of ego and because of pride, Jerry now go say that. Zane, can remember, you know, if Jerry come out and say that, you know, Jerry have quote unquote weak heart syndrome. And Jerry don't want to give a weak heart response. So you know what Jerry do instead? Jerry go resort to violence, which is a big no-no, brother. You see me, I say, any real man can agree with me on this. Brother, I tell you, yo, I went up on your mind. I went up on your mind, remember the 9 time I thing stronger than iron, man. If you never want to put your hand on a female, no, brother. You see me, I say? But here's what Jerry really should do. And this is what enough man can do for us. Avoid that and just keep it moving, brother.
The word around town is that you're back in town, and I try not to think about it. I try, but it's been so long, and I thought I moved on.
Who's that, soulmate?
Frank? Just someone I
I
know.
wonder why you even come.
Just someone I know, huh?
It's almost like you're having fun.
I'm just someone you know, right?
Frank,
fuck off.
No, you see that one day? I call that one day the G response. Zane, remember now, what I know what I say on a G, you know, on a real man, you know, man. More what I just that I no need for do, and just move. You see me, I say? Just like how when I deal with other girl, them wanna move. And as a matter of fact, I talk about that. It's like Jerry, no member say, as I usually deal with some other woman, you know. As I usually deal with some other people, girl pitney, you know. Zane, Jerry never business, but nobody feelings before, you know. That's because he feels like Keisha they're different, you know. And Keisha give him a shock, you know, man, and licking chip, you know, frying motherboard, you know. You see me, I say? But more while, it's like, you just feel, say, this thing's supposed to just go your way all the time. Don't get me wrong, you know. People, me not say bun right, me not say, yo, Jerry, if you get bun in the first place. But Jerry never need for resort to violence. Brother, make life lick her down. Make life cool for her, brother. Whether I be literally or figuratively, brother. She go walk one day and she just go drop down on her face. You see me, I say? Make that happen for fear one time, brother. Don't go put yourself in a trouble. Don't go take the girl life. Don't eat. Brother, don't even put your hand on her, brother. You know, worthy. And it don't make sense, brother. Because, fun and joke aside, brother, just like a woman give one, brother, I will give one like man, brother, I talk about. We just can't take him when reciprocated, you see me, I say? All me I say is people, yo, you know, have to go there, so. I'm realize it's a domino effect. It happen with one man, I'm realize, yo, or some man them start say, yo, okay. So a girl over here, so she can diss that man over there, so you know, so what happened to she? Yeah, man, show about that man. No, brother, real man do the damn thing there. Because one man start do it, you look now, you have 3, 4, 5 cases. Man, them can't take a girl in life, brother. No, dog, I don't say a thing, dog. Not like that, ladies, I swear. Feel the phone. Brother say, yo, if I see which part of the relationship look like it, they get shaky, they come to an end. Whether it be you or him. And some people that say, yo, let's pack up things and cut, man, and even have to say nothing. If I realize I'm one of them, man, they just cut, man. But all me say is do. Apart from the walk on the chalk line, just make sure you're not leader and nobody either. Because sometimes when I realize, yo, because this money I pay the school fee or this money I pay the tuition, or is me I say, this money I pay your rent, so you can't lead him and make him feel like, say, yo, all is well in our relationship still up on, you see me? And not no go so. The time when I carry over this, I'll give this the next money. Brother, now I say the woman them right for the gibbon, but the man them take it way too far. This too extreme. It don't make sense. I put a hand on nobody girl pitney, brother. You see me? Tell her to fuck off. Tell them to choke through. But just walk you out, brother. You're alright again now. Just like you did give them girl a bun other day and them alright there, they live and breathe same way too. Sit down and ball over you. You're alright too, brother, man. Just keep it moving, man. What's me I said to people? That's just my take on it still. Let's voice your opinion on them in the VIP section on the video and let's just have a conversation. Zane, like and share the video so others can have a set too. Also, let's tell me what next conversation will be about. Like, isn't me one on here? Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. That's it. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Zane, I'm out.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get laid.